Hello, my name is Chris Muchler, VCDX 257, and I'd like to take a couple minutes to introduce myself and the redesigned Virtual Elephant website to you. So let's get started. I started my IT career out a little over 25 years ago in 1997, working for a small internet security firm called Patriot Technologies outside of Washington, D.C. Since that time, I've had the opportunity to manage environments that scaled from a few hundred FreeBSD web servers all the way to over 100,000 physical Linux servers worldwide. After my career focus shifted to virtualization in 2013, I've had the opportunity to architect environments that were responsible for hosting over 750,000 virtual machines worldwide. This included the VMworld hands-on lab environments in 2018 that supported all of the attendees at the conference in both the United States and in Spain. I currently hold multiple VMware and IT industry certifications, including the CNCF Kubernetes Administrator, the Open Group TOGAF 9 Enterprise Architect, and the coveted VMware Certified Design Expert certification. After joining VMware in 2015, I was invited to contribute content to multiple VCP and VCAP certifications spanning data center virtualization, NSX, and cloud management. In 2017, after becoming VCDX 257, I became a VCDX panelist, and I began delivering the VCDX workshop online at multiple VMworld conferences and at many local vMUG user events. It's been extremely important to me to be able to contribute back to the community, both the vExpert and the VCDX communities that gave me so much on my own career journey. In addition to my passion for technology, I'm an avid outdoorsman. I'm the father of 6 beautiful children. They bring me great joy in my life. I love going outdoors and sharing those experiences that I had as a youth with them. Whether it's camping, hiking, shooting, fly fishing, mountain biking, or whatever else Colorado has to offer, it's a wonderful way to spend a weekend. As a matter of fact, in June 2022, I took my 2 oldest teenage sons on an epic road trip adventure. We started out in Colorado, drove through Montana, headed to Canada, drove all the way through northwestern Canada, including the Yukon, and ended up in Fairbanks in Mount Denali, Alaska. We were able to spend 2 weeks exploring the wilderness around Mount Denali, where we were able to go horseback riding, whitewater rafting, and my favorite, fly fishing. It was an epic adventure, one that they nor I will ever forget, and I'm so grateful that I took the opportunity and did that this last year with them. The Virtual Elephant site started out in 2013 as a way for me to document and communicate to the vExpert community the work that I was doing around Hadoop. At the time, I was working to virtualize Hadoop and establish best practices using the VMware Big Data Extensions project. Since that time, the site has evolved immensely and now covers topics such as VCDX certification tips, cloud-native best practices, multi-cloud architectures, cloud-native technologies like Apache Mesos and now Kubernetes, in addition to automation topics and open source projects that I've worked on over the last 6 to 8 years. With this relaunch of the site on its 10-year anniversary in 2023, you will see the content primarily focus on multi-cloud strategies for Kubernetes, including Tanzu Kubernetes Grid. We're going to cover a variety of topics, including how to operationalize Kubernetes and design it, whether it's for an on-prem data center, a VMware-managed hyperscaler, or one of the public cloud environments. Like many of you, I have seen the dramatic shift in the technology landscape these last several years. And while traditional software-defined data centers will continue to be a focus for enterprise organizations, Kubernetes has become the absolute clear winner for modern applications. Whether those applications are going to be deployed inside a private or a public cloud offering, it's important for us as architects to have the skill set necessary to be able to properly design and operationalize a Kubernetes service offering. I hope that the Virtual Elephant website will become a primary resource for you in this area. I look forward to working with you in the future.